In a world full of challenges and uncertainties, it's easy to overlook the enormous potential that each of us has. But what if I told you that you have the power to create your reality, manifest your dreams, and overcome the limitations of your past? Join us on a journey of discovery as we explore the profound concepts of consciousness and quantum physics. In this video, we'll reveal the hidden truths about the human mind and heart, as well as how harnessing their synergy can open up a world of limitless possibilities. Quantum manifestation taps into the principles of quantum physics to explain how our thoughts and intentions can influence the reality we experience. It suggests that at the quantum level, reality is not fixed, but rather shaped by our observations and consciousness. By aligning our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with our desired outcomes, we can effectively manifest them into reality. This concept goes beyond traditional manifestation techniques by emphasizing the importance of coherence between the mind and heart. It suggests that when our thoughts and emotions are in harmony, we amplify our manifesting power, creating a stronger energetic resonance with our intentions. Furthermore, quantum manifestation highlights the interconnectedness of all things in the universe. It proposes that when we send out our intentions, we are not just influencing our immediate surroundings, but also tapping into the collective consciousness of humanity and beyond. Right now is a crucial time for everyone to realize just how much power they have. In the world of quantum physics, things work differently than we're used to. There's no clear separation between things, no solid objects like we see in our everyday lives. Instead, everything is made up of energy, vibes, and information. It's like there's this invisible energy field all around us that connects everything together. It's where all the action happens, where thoughts become things, and where the magic of existence unfolds. Einstein said, "The field is the sole governing agency of the particle," meaning the field controls the particle, not the other way around. So if I can change the information in the field, I can affect matter. Atoms are 99.99999% energy and information, with almost no physical matter. We only see a tiny part of reality, a small spectrum of light that makes matter look solid, creating an illusion of separation. Imagine if we could create directly from the boundless energy field instead of relying solely on physical matter. This shift would bring us closer to the essence of existence, operating from a state of unity rather than division. Achieving this requires a complete redirection of our focus towards the field itself. Imagine this: stripping away attention from your body, the people in your life, and all material possessions like your phone, car, and house. Let go of thoughts about your relationships, your daily routines, and even notions of past and future. Instead, immerse yourself fully in the present moment. In this transformative process, you transition from being a somebody to a nobody, from a someone to a no one, and from a something to a nothing. You traverse from a somewhere to a nowhere, and from a sometime to a no time. This profound shift brings you into the realm of pure consciousness. By divesting all attention and energy from the confines of our familiar three-dimensional reality, we open ourselves up to the mysteries of the unknown. This is where true transformation and creation emerge, free from the limitations of the known world. Let's break it down. Imagine removing everything physical and material from the universe: no Earth, moon, planets, stars, or galaxies. What's left? Nothing, right? But surprisingly, this nothingness is brimming with energy and frequency. Now, it's hard to explain this concept to someone who only believes in the physical world. But if you can embrace this state of nothingness, where there's no name, no face, no weight, no worries about health, job, or identity, something remarkable happens to your brain. Usually, our brains are divided into compartments, especially when we're stressed, jumping from one concern to another. This constant shifting can fragment the brain, causing it to feel scattered and overwhelmed. But when you focus solely on pure consciousness, free from all these distractions, the brain experiences a profound change. You're no longer caught up in stress-induced habits of hyperfocus or obsession. When you open your mind to embrace the concept of nothingness, something fascinating happens in the brain. Different parts of the brain, which usually operate independently, start working together in harmony. This creates a more unified and organized state, where the entire brain operates at the same frequency. In this synchronized state, waves in the brain begin to interfere with each other, leading to larger amplitudes. This heightened amplitude signifies increased energy in the brain. As a result, the brain becomes more orderly and structured, functioning as a single, cohesive neurological network. This coherence brings about a remarkable convergence of the brain's two hemispheres, fostering a sense of unity, often described as wholeness or psychic union. When your brain achieves a state of coherence, transitioning from faster beta brain waves to slower ones, it generates electrical signals. These signals represent your intentions. The clearer your intention, the more coherent your brain becomes, resulting in a stronger signal. Now, imagine you've decided to create directly from the energy field, purely as consciousness. If we guided you to send out this intention from a coherent brain, you would essentially illuminate the entire void, the vacuum of potentiality. In that moment, you transcend your individual self and become the source itself. As the source, when you emit this signal, you're not just reaching out to one person or thing. You're touching the consciousness of everyone and everything across all time and space. Your intention electrifies the entire field. So, if you're the source of creation, why would you need to go anywhere else to manifest what you desire? Indeed, consciousness thrives when the brain operates coherently. Meanwhile, the heart's energy, particularly love, represents the essence of the source. If your desired future got invased and to draw it towards you using the magnetic field of your heart, research shows that the heart's magnetic field extends up to 3 meters. That's a tangible phenomenon. In this context, love functions as the binding force that holds the fabric of reality together. A coherent heart, brimming with energy, becomes a powerful magnet for manifesting your desired future. You emit the signal from your coherent brain and draw the corresponding experiences towards you. No need to chase after anything. You attract what you seek. When your energetic vibration aligns with a potential in the quantum field, synchronicities begin to unfold. These are more than just chance occurrences. They're meaningful coincidences and opportunities that align with your intentions and energy, far beyond just finding a parking space. This is a crucial moment for everyone, because many don't grasp the immense power they hold within. When they experience a transformative event, they'll look back at past betrayals and hardships with newfound understanding and indifference. In that moment, their past loses its grip because they're affirming their innate knowledge. They are the architects of their own lives. So, remember, you are the creator of your own life. Even in the face of past hurts and struggles, you have the power to shape a bright future. Embrace your potential and watch as your dreams become reality. If you found this video thought-provoking, please show your support by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more insightful content. Don't miss out on our next video.